Today I'm going to be showing you the next beauty in partnership with Earle Bestsellers Beauty Box. So you'll have to be quick if you want to get this. I'm not sure if it's even still there because I know that the Earle boxes sell out really quick, because last year I saw one of these. I think it had different products in it, and I kept thinking, shall I get it, shan't I get it? And I didn't leave it that long before I thought, right, I'm going to get that. But I went back on there and it was gone, and I was gutted because it was a really nice box. So if you want it, don't sleep on it, because it might not be there. But I got this. I was hoping that there would be a candle in the Earle calendar that I filmed. If you want to see that, go into my Advent Calendars playlist. So I got a really nice, it was a really nice calendar, but it didn't have a candle in it. And I know that this has candle in it, and I have never tried a Earle candle before. I'm not sure what type of candle it is. I'm hoping it's that orange one that they did last Christmas that I missed out on, because I didn't get the calendar last year. But I thought, right, I'm going to snap that calendar up, because that sold out quick as well. I think Earle is quite popular. I'll put the price up there because I'll find it. So I'll show you what's inside it, and I'll put the individual prices of the things if you were to buy them, so that we can find out how much it's worth. So I'll just take it out of the sleeve, and then it's like that. And then I'll open it up. Oh look, I can see we've got one thing in there already. The Cleanse and Polish Pure Cotton Cloth. Is that one or two? Oh, there's two cloths in there. That's nice to go with the hot cloth cleanser. And I think I can see that here. I haven't got any skincare on because I was hoping to put some on, but I can't put this on. So this is the hot cloth cleanser, and the size is 100ml. So I'll put the price, what that's worth. So I really love this. I've been using it for years. It's got such a beautiful smell. Oh, it's just wonderful. And you use it with a nice hot, you know, you put some water in the sink and have it quite hot. I do. It's just so refreshing when you wipe it off. You just smear it all on your face and rub it in to get all your makeup off, and then you wipe it off with the hot cloth, and it's just so beautiful. And it says deeply cleanses and gently exfoliates for radiant, clearer looking skin. And what does it, oh, it's got cocoa butter and eucalyptus in there. I think it must be the eucalyptus that makes it so refreshing. So there's that, 100ml with the cloths. And here's what I wanted. I don't think it's the orange one. What is it? Warm cedarwood and frankincense. Wow, that must be a different smell she's done for this Christmas, because I think frankincense would be for Christmas, wouldn't it? Oh, that does smell beautiful. I've never had a Earle candle, so I'm really excited for that. Let's have a look what it says. Yeah, oh, it's 200 grams. So I would imagine that will, it's very heavy, glass. And I think that's going to smell beautiful when I burn it. Oh, wow, I'm so happy with that. I didn't actually think it would be this big. I thought it would be smaller. That is a really good size, isn't it? 200 grams. So I don't know if they're selling that one individually this year, or if that's like a smell she does all the time. But I'll have a look and put how much that would be to buy. Oh, a gentle face exfoliator. I think I got one of these in the calendar. I have tried her exfoliator before, and I know that I like that. So I'm happy to have that. The beads inside it are, you know, they're quite, there's quite a lot of them in there. They're not, you know how you get some of these scrubs that the beads are few and far between, you know, the scrubby bits. This one's got a good amount in it. So, and how big is this? This is 15ml. That'll last you a few goes with that, wouldn't it? So, and what does this say? It says buffs away dead skin and impurities to reveal renewed radiance. And it has eucalyptus, cocoa butter and sweet almond oil in there. So I will look forward to using that. We've got an Eye Bright Soothing Eye Lotion. Yeah, Eye Bright Soothing Eye Lotion. And that is 50 ml. And this says, gently cleanses and revitalises tired, puffy looking eyes. And it says it's got Eye Bright, whatever that is, cornflower, witch hazel and aloe vera. And what does it say to do? How to use: twist up cap, apply to cotton pads before sweeping over eyelids for a soothing compress. Soak 2 cotton pads in Eye Bright, place over eyes and relax for 5 to 10 minutes. So it says it's ophthalmologically, no, I can't say it. Ophthalmologically, this says it is ophthalmologically tested and suitable for contact lens wearers. It took me a few times to say that word. Got it right in the end. So yeah, let's have a smell of this one. Yeah, that does smell very relaxing. And I have used that before. I had a problem with my eyes, and I'm not sure if this is what caused it. I do have extremely sensitive eyes, so I don't know if it was this or something else I was using, but it smells gorgeous. And I think it is a really good, well, it is a bestseller because it's in this box. These are bestsellers. So yeah, people must love it. So I'm going to give that another try and see how I get on with it. I hope I don't get a reaction. Okay, the last thing is Earle Skin Repair Light Cream, and that is 15 ml and suitable for all skin types. And it says dramatically boosts skin's moisture instantly with 72 hours of hydration. And it contains borage seed oil, avocado oil and echinacea. And I have used that before and I really like it. And I'll show you the consistency of that. I'll put a bit here. So it's a bit bright close to the camera, isn't it? So it's quite light. It says it's light. So, because she does do more thicker creams as well. Oh, it smells gorgeous. I love it. Obviously, because I've had it before. And I think I knew it was in here. But I was after the candle the most. So that's all that was in there. I'll put a total worth there. If I can find all of these products separately, I'll let you know how much the box was worth. So I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox the next in partnership with Earle Bestsellers Beauty Box. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.